everyone, I'm Lori from Lori's Country Cottage. Do you have some 2-inch strips in your stash? How about some backgrounds and some reds or pinks? Let's make a stripped Valentine mini quilt. Stay tuned. So you will need 5 2-inch strips of background fabric. Can be 5 different colors or a variety of however many you like. Could all be the same. Same thing with the heart. You need 5 of your heart color, 2 inches wide. Now this little chart, you can stop your video and cut as you're checking the chart, or I'm going to try to put a link at the bottom for you to download it. So each of the background fabrics, 1 through 5, and then I've got the piece numbers all along the left-hand column. So that's all the backgrounds, then all the reds. So cut all your pieces, those sizes. Now here, once they're cut, we've laid them out just to see how they're going to go together. And you want to take 1 and 2 and put them together with a 1/4 inch seam allowance and press to one side. Then on top of that, you want to put piece 3 and 4 and 5 on either side. Now you want to continue in numerical order using the pieces in the image. When you get to 13, 14, you need to add 13 to 14 and then sew it along the pieced unit, and lastly add 15. Now we jump over to the other side and repeat numerically . Then you want to create your center strip with 16, 17, and 18. Insert that, so stitch it to one side and then join the other side to make your complete mini quilt. Add strip 34 and 35 to the top and bottom. Layer, stitch as you like. We stitched most of ours in the ditch, and then you can kind of see a little bit of the white stitching from point to point to create a heart. Then the binding is cut on the is cut straight, printed on the diagonal, creating that candy cane type effect around the outside. Well, I hope you enjoyed making this stripped Valentine mini quilt. I hope that you can use up some of your scraps or get some designated Valentine fabric. Thanks for watching. I'm Lori from Lori's Country Cottage. Bye for now.